I am 𝗬𝗧𝗧 from 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 𝗚𝗧 Karimnagar district. Touch the drug, hug the death. Drug is a chemical substance that brings a significant change in the mind and the body of a person. It includes cocaine, nicotine, caffeine, and alcohol. Regular consuming of drugs will lead to addiction and ends with the death. So, drugs which contain chemicals in various drugs will make a person initially feel good, but it will lead to the destruction of the person. This is the reason why a person starts it, continues it until he addicts to the drug. Drugs makes a person spoil his life and career. It will lead to the destruction of the person. It spoils the mental health of the person by leading to depression and anxiety. And it damages the vital organs of drugs of our body like heart, brain, and lungs, liver, kidneys. It causes our immune system damage and it makes our physical health poor. The government of Telangana is taken up a firm zero tolerance stand against drug abuse and launched Eagle Task Force for a dedicated combat against drug abuse and trafficking. Our Telangana CM Revanth Reddy has called upon a united fight to make Telangana a drug-free state, emphasizing that all schools have taken up Prahari clubs which makes and create a awareness about the drugs in students and to make educational institutions a drug-free campuses. And the government of India has launched and it has running campaigns like Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, and government of Telangana has launched a NDPS Act which imposes strict punishments and imprisonments including heavy fines. Finally, drug is not just a personal problem. It is a problem that is facing by our social danger, and it harms the families, communities, and even our nation. So it is all our responsibility together, including government, to combat drugs abuse. With our strong determination and united efforts, I am confident that we will soon achieve a drug-free India in the near future. Thank you all.